I use 3 DIY products made specifically for my natural hair needs, and using those products allow me to grow my 4C natural hair from my ears to my hips super fast. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do the same by identifying what your hair needs, then giving you the deets on what you need to use to address those needs and finally reach your hair goals. This is going to help you make your own extreme natural hair growth routine by yourself, because tailoring your routine to your hair needs is ultimately what's going to give you these kinds of results. Then, to give you an example of what a natural hair care routine tailored to your needs looks like, I'm going to give you some insight on what products I made and specifically used to get these results. Before we start, I need you to like, comment, and subscribe so we can get this channel to 50K subbies. And now, let's begin. I'm going to be going over all of this information while I do my skincare routine because #ClearSkinAll2026. Now, if you know anything about me, I'm huge on tailoring things to your needs because this is truly the way to get the hair growth results you're looking for. You can't always expect that everything that works for one person will work for another, but you can use it as a guide for developing your own special routine, which is why I'm going to share with you what I use a bit later. But for now, here are 3 key things you need to know to develop your own extreme hair growth routine. The first thing you need to know is your hair's weaknesses. What are they? Is it dry? Is it weak and always breaking? Does it grow fast but knots up quickly and is a struggle to detangle? Or does it grow too slowly to the point where you barely see any hair growth at all? Asking yourself these questions will lead you to the perfect hair care routine. For example, if your hair is chronically dry, you need to deep condition every time you wash your hair. If your hair is weak, you need to increase the amount of protein you give your hair. If it gets knotted really fast, you need to use a moisturizing shampoo that doesn't tangle your hair and stretch your roots out during wash day to prevent tangles, which will help you avoid excessive breakage. And if you are an OG on this channel, you know that the answer to length retention and hitting your hair goals is growing your hair faster than your hair is breaking off and reducing the amount of excessive breakage and shedding. And finally, if you feel like you don't see any hair growth at all, you need to combine all of what I just said to increase the rate at which your hair grows. And this doesn't even include lifestyle factors like taking certain medicines, being chronically stressed, or hormonal changes that impact hair growth and that you need to consider when developing your own extreme hair growth routine. Asking yourself these questions will lead you to the right remedies and products to use to get you the results you're looking for. The second thing you need to do to create your own extreme hair growth routine is think about your budget and time. What can you commit to long term as well? Because I found out quick that I could not keep buying $200 plus hair care lines that I use half of on one of my wash day routines, right? I just couldn't. So I knew I had to find DIY alternatives that I could make very affordably and at any time I needed. With this understanding though, I also knew my time commitment would be a bit higher because I would have to make the products myself. Sure, the products I use only take a few minutes to make, so it doesn't bother me as much now. But if you're new to this journey, this is something you want to think about before you begin, so that way you don't get discouraged by the time it takes and quit. And thinking about what you can commit to is important because consistency is truly the one thing that's going to carry you to the finish line. So if you are trying to go all in and have 50-11 DIY recipes because you were just trying to take every single extreme hair growth recipe or routine you've ever seen online and throw it all at your hair to try to get results, those products may be effective, but not if you can't commit to them because you got overwhelmed by how much time it takes to use them all, and now you're back at square one because you weren't able to commit to such a intense routine. So it is extremely important that you pace yourself and that you understand what you can realistically do over a long period of time, because I would rather you choose one natural hair care product that is made to address one of your natural hair's weaknesses, and you use that over the course of 6 months or a year to get you closer to your hair goals, then you pick up 5, 6, 7, 8 different types of products that you are supposed to be using round the clock, all year round, but you're not able to keep up with it past 2 months because it's just simply too expensive, or too expensive financially, or too expensive time-wise. So think about that before you begin implementing new routines, and especially as you are creating your own natural hair growth routine. It's always better to be mentally prepared for what you're committing to before you begin, so you're not caught off guard. This is why it's important to take small steps in your natural hair journey and think about what it is you're working toward. And this goes perfectly into my third point, and that is thinking about your goals. And I don't mean the big general goals to get hair like your favorite influencers, but the smaller, more specific goals. Like, what about your hair makes you feel like it's not giving what your favorite hair influencer is giving? For example, do you feel like their hair shines more? Then you want to work on your hair having more luster. Olive oil will fix that right up. Do you feel like your hair is not thickening? Peppermint and rice will get you right. Do you feel like your hair is not soft? A deep conditioner with a lot of fats in it will do the trick. I say all this because in your natural hair routine, that will get you your goals. You may not have to do a complete overhaul of what you're doing now. You may just need to add a product or two, and they will cut the time commitment and price commitment of your new natural hair routine in half, or more than half if you specifically know what your hair goals are. And going back to the second point, depending on your goals, that will guide what you can commit to and make it much easier on your mind and body to make the changes you want to see. Because small changes make a big difference over time. And again, it's way better that you stick to something small that genuinely improves your natural hair health or the aesthetic of your natural hair and allows you to reach your goals than you try to go super hard at it and then you drop off after the first month or two and you're nowhere near closer to your goals than you were before you poured all of that time, money, and energy into trying to implement a super difficult routine. Now that you have these 3 major things you need to build your own extreme natural hair care routine in your mind, I'm going to give you a dive into what I've done to cater to my hair and scalp's needs, and that got me hip-length 4C natural hair. But before I do, I want to mention that if you want a personalized natural hair care routine tailored to your specific hair goals and needs, you can book a one-on-one consultation with me, and I will give you a specialized hair care regimen tailored to help you hit your hair goals. Multiple lovelies who have worked with me have gotten great results, so if you're ready to take that step, please head to my site at justforblackgirls.com and book a session with me. I'll do the work of piecing together exactly what you need for your hair to grow longer, healthier, thicker, and stronger so you don't have to. I love helping my lovelies get their hair goals, so work with me so we can get you the routine that will help you reach your goals. And speaking of hair goals, these were mine a few years back when my hair was cut to my ears. I wanted my hair to be moisturized and strong, meaning that it won't get brittle and break off easily due to dryness or because as soon as I touch it, it's falling out. I did not want that. And also, I wanted luster. I wanted my hair to catch the light of the sun and reflect it. I wanted for when people looked at my hair, I wanted it to look like black gold or black silk draping around my face and my back. That's what I wanted. And so this is what I did to get that. Because I knew I wanted my hair to be moisturized and strong, I knew that I had to use protein because protein helps to fortify the hair strands against brittleness and against dryness, and it also makes it harder to break. So I immediately began using my protein treatment recipe once a month. No excuses. Every 4 weeks, protein treatment. I have been using that protein treatment for over a decade at this point, and it has done nothing but help me to also get that lustrous look I was looking for. It has helped me to keep my hair deeply moisturized, and it has also helped me keep my hair strong, but not as strong as my rice water recipe. Rice water has been a literal game changer. Simply, without my rice water recipe, my hair would not be this way. It has thickened my hair significantly, like 3 times as much. It has also helped my hair be stronger because it increases the elasticity of the hair strand. This means that I have to pull on my hair much more in order for my hair strand to actually break. Elasticity is like a rubber band. Like, you know how you have to pull a rubber band a lot in order for it to actually snap? That is what rice water does before your hair. And I see it. Like when I'm detangling my hair with my fingers, and sometimes I will get a strand that's snagged on my nail. I notice that I have to pull my hand like so far away from me. Sometimes I get impatient, and instead of delicately unraveling the hair from my nail or whatever, I will, try to pull my hand away to make my hair snap. And then once I notice that my arm is all the way stretched out and still not has snapped off of my hand, I know that the rice water is working. And I know that that's a bad example, but I say that to say no one is perfect. And I'm sharing that to say the rice water helps to strengthen a hair strand a lot because it makes your hair be able to endure a lot more pulling and tugging without snapping and breaking off than if you were not using it at all. So I said that my hair goal was to make sure my hair was deeply moisturized, so I used my protein treatment to address that. I also said I wanted my hair to be strong, and so I started using rice water to address that. Finally, I said I wanted my hair to have a luster to it, a shine. And in order to get that, I also relied on my protein treatment. But let me specifically point out what I put in my protein treatment to get that look. And what I particularly put in my protein treatment to get that look is olive oil. Olive oil is what I used in order to make my hair look more shiny. I only started getting shinier hair once I added more olive oil to my protein treatment. Olive oil is 100% going to give your hair that shine, that luster, that capturing of the sun and reflecting it back to you, that black silk, black gold look that I was looking for. And it has helped me a lot. Additionally, I've heard a lot of people speaking to the benefits of onions. They also say that using onion water in your hair has also helped their hair be really shiny. And this has reminded me of another benefit of rice water that I've read, which is that it helps produce black hair strands. So I said I wanted my hair to look like black gold, black silk draping around me. And I am remembering that I read in an article about the women in China who started the rice water trend because it's a part of their culture. And researchers saw how those women, even though they were clearly much older, they rarely had gray hair. And it's because of the properties in rice water. So yes, the rice water also helps me to have black, shiny hair. Let's just look at that. I had particular goals. I made products particular to those needs and those goals, and that helped me reach my hair goals because it was a comprehensive routine that was particular to what I wanted. So if it's anything that you take out of this video, I want you to take away the fact that when you are looking to address your hair goals and get your hair goals, you have to start with you as your center, as your foundation. Don't look at what people already have and try to center them in your natural hair journey. You have to look at what you have and what your hair may be lacking and use that as the way to build your hair growth routine off of. Because what you may find is that what you needed is what other people may need and they don't know it yet. So by you putting yourself at the center of your natural hair goals, that may lead you to helping other people. But if you are constantly reaching for what other people have and trying to make that apply to you, that may not be exactly what it is that you're looking for. Of course, using already established natural hair influencers' routines will help you significantly in terms of having a guide or having an example, and I just gave you one. And if you want recipes for my rice water recipe, as well as my leave-in conditioner recipe that I developed to help me maintain my moisture once I am finished with my wash day, because I only use my protein treatment on my wash day. You can get those recipes in my Growth Training 101 guide book that is on my site. That is where I list more of the recipes that I've used to particularly accelerate my hair growth from 1/2 inch to 1 inch plus of hair growth in a month. In this video, I've given you what you need to grow your natural hair longer, healthier, thicker, and stronger. But if you want to take it to the next level and use that particular routine, which is for the lovelies who are ready to progress to the next level in their natural hair journey, you definitely want to grab my Growth Training 101 guide. And it is an intensive natural hair care routine that allows you to reach your hair goals at a much faster pace, and that is on my site. And it is on sale right now. And you can grab your copy. And if you have any questions, you can always email me and let me know what you're struggling with and ask me what you're confused about. I'm always here to help and answer your questions. And we have reached the end of this video, lovelies. If you made it this far, thank you so much for tuning in. Again, if you have any questions, you can drop them below or email me. I am so grateful for you all being in this community, and I'm so excited to continue helping you on your natural hair journey. Let me know one thing in this video that stood out to you that you never thought of before. And until next time, lovelies, bye. Mwah.